Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Guys, welcome to another job opportunity in my channel. Today the job opportunity is for all the freshers who have completed their graduation or post graduation in any business related field, specifically in finance. So the company name is Siemens and they are looking for trainee. It means freshers are eligible for this role. Here they have mentioned the field of work is finance, and company they have clearly mentioned Siemens Technology and Services. Location will be Bangalore and it's a hybrid job opportunity. Okay, here they have clearly mentioned all the details. I will just highlight some of the details which will be helpful for you. So first one is your success is grounded. The education they have mentioned Bcom or BBA, that is minimum education. Okay, it might be MBA or MCom also. If you have the post graduation you can apply, but yeah, the minimum eligibility criteria is Bcom or BBA. Second one is understanding of various quality methodologies, excellent spoken and written communication skill, flexible in working rotational shifts, proficiency in MS Office, SAP, One SRM and e-sourcing tools. Excellent communication is also required. So these are all the skills which will be helpful for you. Here they did not mention a lot of roles and responsibilities because this is a trainee role, and here they will train you properly and then you will start onboarding in a project, and you can also provide all of your knowledge and expertise which you have learned from the training in the project. So I will recommend you that if you have completed your graduation or post graduation in these disciplines, you can apply for this role. It will be a great start for you as a fresher, and as the company name is Siemens, the salary structure will be also very good for you. If you have done post graduation, then you can get a salary range between 7 to 10 lakh per annum. If you did bachelor's like Bcom or BBA, then you can get a salary range between 4 to 6 lakh per annum. Okay, so that's all about the job opportunity. I will provide you the link in the video description so that you can check and apply online. And if there is any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.